Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping any further unraveling and assessing the situation. Is the bind-off partial or gone? Secure live stitches immediately. Use a crochet hook to catch each loop and transfer them onto a length of waste yarn or spare needle. Make sure to count stitches as you go so gauge and pattern placement stay accurate. Once done, lay the work flat and compare to the working edge so you know exactly which rows and stitch counts need reconstructing next. Now you rebuild the cast-off edge. Pick up the secured live stitches onto your working needle, keeping tension consistent with the adjacent fabric. If the original bind-off is missing, choose the appropriate finish. A standard bind-off for stability, a stretchy bind-off for cuffs, or grafting/Kitchener for a seamless join. Work a few provisional rows if needed to test tension. Make sure to maintain stitch count and pattern repeats. Once you verify fit and row alignment, finish by binding off using the chosen method, then weave in ends and block the piece to even the edge and stitches. Make sure seams or pattern motifs line up and test stretch. If something looks too tight, unpick that section and redo the bind-off with a needle one size larger. If you find gaps or runs, pick up adjacent bars and stabilize them with small duplicate stitch repairs. If problems persist, consult the secured waste yarn to return to live stitches and retry the reconstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.